Hey guys, so we just built this cool dominoes that's so long. Puma's out there waiting to come in, but Gavin, he just showered and he's going to set it off. Okay, go Gavin. 2, 1, go! Amazing!
So I filmed a whole video on this camera and I don't know how to upload it to the computer. I'm so dumb when it comes to like techie stuff and I don't know how to figure it out. You guys all right? The kids, you okay?
Yeah.
The kids have been getting up super early, like I don't know why. Just sleep in. There's no school today. Fridays we don't have school. I mean, we kind of do, but it's not very long. Anyway, I just don't know why they don't sleep in. Like, just sleep in. And so when they wake up early, I'm like, okay, we're gonna get started super early and we have breakfast early and we have, are you wanting to go outside? This poor dog. She's so cute. Outside? Yeah? She's cute. I like that she lets us know that she needs to go outside. Go on, girls. It's very foggy out there, very pretty. It's nice. It was even foggier earlier, but. Okay, so it is Friday. So we gotta do a lot of laundry. Friday's like kind of like a laundry day. The kids are playing the piano and just playing, which is fine. I love that they play, that sometimes it's hard for me to interrupt their play, you know, to like do household chores. But anyway, I gotta go put this back and start some breakfast so they can eat. It's very dark in here. I can tell by the way like it comes out on camera. I ask the kids to do laundry and they always ask for music. They're so cute. You gotta watch. And for them doing laundry is sorting all the clothes into piles for each of them. It's very cute. You dancing? All right, do laundry. Not too much dancing. I miss my van. There's the van. It's there, but I've been, like when I take Derek to seminary and stuff, or when I just run errands on my own, I take the truck because now Cameron doesn't drive this to work. He has his own work truck, so this one sits here. And why take a whole 12-passenger vehicle when I have this truck? But I miss the van. I love driving the van when I get into it. The other day I did drive it with the kids and like I could see so much better in front of me. This is just so like big. It's got a huge hood, and so anyway, silly, I know, silly, but I miss my van. Let's go. Oh dear.
That was weird.
That's weird.
Like,
okay, so we are starting to paint. Are we excited? No, we're not.
You want this nail here?
No.
Okay.
But I mean, I might want one, but not that long one.
Yeah.
I need a scraper. Do we
A
have
scraper?
a scraper? Oh, razor is good.
Well, that's a big one. You're not gonna remove that one.
Which one?
That nail.
Pull it out with your hand.
Huh?
Pull it out with your hand.
Oh, okay. Oh, dang.
That's what was holding it up.
Daddy, beavers have razor sharp teeth.
Yeah, we do.
to get
You have to if you're cutting through wood.
Yeah, it's heat. I think it was blue. Is this pink?
The wall is blue.
Oh. So it got in here.
So that wasn't ever caulked?
It was
Oh, it was?
just split.
I always wanted to play with this stuff, but it would get stuck on me.
Alright, Casey's getting the mail, but look at that. Whoa! Yeah, phones don't do it justice. That's really cool though. You got something? It's ready for tomorrow morning. We're gonna start painting. Careful. That is not safe at all, honey. I caught it on camera.
Throw that away carefully. Derek.
So next morning and we're getting started. We are starting over there in the little hallway. This is the before, I guess. Took all those out. What? Yes, I can.
Mommy, you didn't do a corner over here.
She used the ladder.
What? I forgot a corner?
Yeah.
Shoot, sorry. Alright. I might as well roll up here while I'm up here too.
Yeah, I'll hand you the
Are
book.
you done brushing?
No, sorry, I just swept.
Do you think you can take that outlet cover off?
Yeah, she's gonna have to.
Give me what I need.
Okay. What is it? Flathead or Phillips?
It's always flathead, Derek.
And I was gonna say, isn't it always the same one?
These outlets are Phillips.
Final coat.
Will you turn the fan off? There's like,
I know, it's like,
the lighting is not fun.
it's actually darker up there too. Do it, lady.
I'm so scared.
Just don't rub
Is it
your
looking
elbow.
okay?
Huh?
Is it looking okay?
Yeah, it looks great. Except for that spot. Joking. Just making you look twice.
It is looking so nice. I love it. But now that is kind of like camouflaged. We'll figure it out. We'll figure out what to do there. It's looking good. Well, we have to eat, so I'm over here making dinner. We don't have enough time to do the dining in the kitchen. It's too much work. This was a lot of work. We do not like painting. But anyway, so at least we got that part done. It looks like a new house. I was so tired of seeing all this teal and blue. Not cool. But, and we ran out of paint. So it's not like we can't keep going anyway. So we need to go into town because we don't have a Home Depot here. We got to go into town and get some paint, some more paint. But it's looking so good. I'm so excited.
Mom, what are we having for dinner?
We're having spaghetti. Not the most exciting, but it's gonna be so good. We're gonna enjoy it so good, so much. Okay.
Okay, we got 2 packages.
From
See what they are.
Whoa! So cool.
It's like a volleyball.
Oh my goodness.
so fun.
Fun.
Oh, that's fun. We all like that one, huh? That is cool.
Yes! Another.
We have the birdies now.
Oh, there's two.
Oh, wow. We do have lots of kids, so.
We can all play.
So cool.
Ladder ball set. Ladder ball too. Where's she going? And the bird.
Is that exciting?
Yeah.
So cool.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because 2, 4, 6. Because 2 people can play on this.
Oh, that's tetherball
So
too.
you can do that, that, and that volleyball.
Careful. They don't have, they just have vanilla today. Good?
It says vanilla today.
Yeah, only vanilla.
That's some park trucks images. That's pretty cool. Mommy's here. All right.
Was that fun?
Hey guys, it has.
Multitude of entertainment options, a dynamic schedule of events, the beautiful Hilton Promenade Hotel, and of course, this amazing $7.5 million waterfront spectacular. We invite you to return again and again. Branson Landing, it's where shopping.
Wow, you felt it all the way over here.
I told you. This should be cool at night. Wish we could get down here.